Hi, curious minds. I am glad to welcome you all to this platform. Our channel mainly deals with the new innovations in the field of biology. For these many years, many people are affected by cancer. Many of them are died. Recently, some scientists discovered a novel technique to deal with the cancer. We will discuss about the technique in a detailed manner. Please subscribe my channel for the upcoming posts. Today we are going to discuss about the novel technique that's nothing but immunotherapy. Immunotherapy is a type of cancer treatment that boosts the body's natural defense to fight cancer. It uses substances made by body or in lab. The treatment includes the use of checkpoint inhibitors, oncolytic virus therapy, and the T-cell therapy. First, we will see how the checkpoint inhibitors favors immunotherapy. Before going to the checkpoint inhibitors, we must know what is the checkpoint. The checkpoints are normally used by body to naturally stop immune system response and prevent it from attacking healthy cells. These cancer cells find ways to hide from immune system by activating these checkpoints. These checkpoint inhibitors stop ability of cancer cells to stop immune system from activating and in turn amplify our body's immune system to destroy cancer cells. These checkpoints are PD1, PDL1 and CTLA4 pathway. Actually, the CTLA4 is a protein in T cells that bound to another protein and keep T cells from killing other cells, including cancer cells. So the cancer cells find these checkpoints to progress their functions. The checkpoint inhibitors are listed as follows. Okay, next we will see about the oncolytic virus therapy. The oncolytic virus therapy uses viruses that modify to destroy cancer cells. The doctor injects genetically modified virus into tumor so that the virus enters the cancer cells and make a copy of it. Then the cancer cells burst and died. As the cells die, they release a protein that trigger immune system to target any cancer cells in our body that have the same protein as dead cancer cells. The virus is Talimogene Leherparapvic, shortly Lemlegic. And the final one is T-cell therapy or CAR T-cell therapy, that is chimeric antigen receptor T-cell therapy. In this process, the genetically modified T cells have two receptors. The one is antigen binding receptor and the next one is T cell activating receptors. These receptors allow those T cells to recognize cancer cell and to kill them. That's all about the immunotherapy treatment. Maybe this treatment will be a boon for many cancer patients in new generation. Please subscribe my channel for new updates. Thank you.